Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We will discuss today the oxidation states of vanadium, that how we can observe the change in color with the change in oxidation state. Oxidation states of vanadium, that is the observing of changes in oxidation state. Now, as you know that the vanadium has a variable valency and it has a different oxidation states from +1, +2, +3, +4 and +5. The higher oxidation states, they are very stable, that is +4, +5, whereas the lower oxidation states, that is +2 and +, they are relatively unstable. So, the change in oxidation, the changes in oxidation states of vanadium can be observed in the lab by performing chemical tests. So, we can observe the changes going on in the oxidation states of vanadium. The exact vanadium ion present in solution is very complicated and changes with pH value change. The reaction is performed in acidic solution when the ion is VO2 plus, that is dioxo vanadium 5. So, basically the exact vanadium ion, and it changes with the pH value. So, the reaction is performed in acidic solution when the ion, that is dioxo vanadium 5, in this case VO2 plus. So, here it is -2 into 2, here it is +5. So, the oxidation state V plus 5. This is V plus 5 here. So, it is dioxo vanadium 5. It reduces from V plus 5 to V plus 4, observed by a change in color. The reduction is carried by nascent hydrogen produced by when zinc treated with HCl, the nascent hydrogen is produced, green to yellow, green to blue. So, here it is V plus 5 and here it is V plus 4. So, this is exactly the change which is carried by the reduction. VO2 plus, here the oxidation state is +5, it is green in color, and oxidation state is +5. Now, this changes to, that is by reduction, Zn HCl, this is yellow, it changes to green, this is blue. Now, here the oxidation state is 5, again it is +5, but here it is +5. So, here there is no change in oxidation state, but just a mixture of yellow plus blue. So, this you can perform, the change color can be seen, the change in color can be observed in a titration flask by an experiment. So we can perform within the experiment, that is, this is the titration flask, this is the titration flask, here the color is blue, here the color is blue, and this can be shown with the green color. Here the color is yellow. So these can be observed by the change in the color, that if we are reducing with the nascent hydrogen means the hydrogen which is in atomic state and can be utilized freshly prepared. So by the preparation of hydrogen which is freshly prepared can be utilized for the reduction of vanadium +5 into +4. This VO2 basically is taken as VO2 water with plus oxidation state with 4 water molecules. So this is in the form as there are 4 water molecules. So simply you can write this one by the simple ion. We can also observe a change in color. We can also observe a change in color from oxidation state 4 to 2 oxidation state. That is VO2 plus, here it is blue. So here we can also reduce, or we can also have the oxidation change, and we can observe this change in the color, that is the oxidation state, the +4, +3, +2. So the change in color, this is +3, +4 and +2. So we can observe the change in color as well. That how we can describe this change. Now we can also describe the re-oxidation. Now in the re-oxidation of vanadium in 2 oxidation state, the vanadium in 2 oxidation state can be easily oxidized when a glass wool is replaced from the top of flask. It changes into green due to the absorption of air oxygen. So when the vanadium 2 compound is placed in a titration flask, and if you open its mouth by removing or by replacing the glass wool from the top, it will change its color into green. It oxidizes back into 3 oxidation state. If it is allowed to stand for a long time, if it is allowed to stand for a long time, the solution becomes blue. That is, so here you can say that the changes are vanadium in 2 oxidation state into vanadium 3 oxidation state, and then vanadium into 4 oxidation state. This is blue, this is green, and this is purple. So this is in the re-oxidation. Here it is air oxidation. So this is the re-oxidation of vanadium 2 into vanadium 3 and vanadium 4. So you can say that this oxidizes into this one. Now this re-oxidation of vanadium 2 basically only occurs if it is exposed to air. If it is not exposed to air, or the reduction since is carried out in the presence of zinc and acidic solution, so when it is exposed to air, it gets oxidized. First it oxidizes into oxidation 3, and this change in color can be observed, that the purple changes to green and finally into blue. So if the zinc is not present, the re-oxidation takes place in the presence of zinc acid. You can use HCl, you can use nitric acid, etc.